I am Dr. Kishan Chandra, Director, National Center of Organic Farming, located at Ghaziabad. As you know, farmers are using our this waste decomposer, that is a 20-gram bottle, and as its name itself indicates, decomposer. So this is used for any waste, whatever you have in the field or at your home. You can use this bottle. This is 20-gram bottle. Procedure is you can take a 100-liter water, 200-liter water, or 300 or 500 liter water. Every 100-liter water you have to put 1 kg of taking. I mean, you have to take 100 liter. You are taken to take 1 kg. If you take 2 liter of water, you take 200 liter water. You 2 kg. Mix this culture, 20-gram culture, in any pot. You have a drum, you can use it, or a gun pot, you can use it. Put it inside and keep it for 5 days. And every day you have to just shake it with your any stick. You can shake it. You see, after 5 days, it has spread in the total container, and white your fungus will be appear. So that indicates it has been multiplied. Now you can use in a different way. You can use for any waste what you want to decompose. You make a layer by layer, make a heap of 1 ton. Use 1 liter of this drum material. Spray it on the 1 ton of material. Again you have to put 1 ton of waste material. Again 1 liter. So on you have to go up to 10 metric ton. So that is one heap is about 10 metric ton, and keep it, maintain 70% of water. You can do all the process under any shade, or it is in open. Only you have to maintain the 70% water. You will see after 30 to 40 days, maximum 40 days, it will totally decompose and turn into black color. That indicates it has been decomposition process is over. And you can also, if you have any temperature meter, you can see temperature will come down up to 30 degrees centigrade. So that indicates it has decomposition is over and it is ready for the use. So you can use it. You will find this 1 bottle, as I told you, we have multiplied with 200 liter of water. So up to 200 metric ton, you can, any waste material you can decompose it. And we have found some farmers has told that this can be decomposed up to 800 to 1000 metric ton. Once you have prepared this solution, you keep it again. You can take it 10 liter this material and 200 liter water, put it 2 kg jaggery, and you again multiply. So on you can multiply in liters, 2 liters, hundreds, thousands of liters you can make it. Other uses, farmers has told, if you take this material, 1 liter material, 20 liter of water, and spray on a standing crop, you will find lot of disease it controls. It doesn't allow the disease. More than 100 disease will not appear. Insect pest it also keep away. Third things you can use, some farmers what they have done, they have made a 200 liter water and just poured with irrigation in the field. And they have found after 40 days some black color spots appeared on the field. So that indicates whatever waste material is present in the field, it has been decomposed. And they have also reported they have found lot of earthworms during the rainy seasons. So that indicates your soil is becoming good and turning to your fertility. So it is a tremendous use, and various uses are there. So my request is you have to use this bottle once, as this center. We have a Ghaziabad center. There also it is available. We have 6 more centers all over India. One is our Jabalpur, other is our Bangalore, Nagpur, Panchkula, Manipur, our Bhubaneswar. So any center, nearby center, you can ask. This bottle is available. It is cost only 20 rupees. Cost is nil, and bus use is tremendous. I request all the farmers to use it and then come back to us. Thank you.